The Egos are on sale this week, down from $3.39 to $1.99 each, limit 4. My husband is in shock. What's up, y'all? We are at Smart and Final again. We need to get some things for smoothies because I have this amazing blender I need to tell you guys about. And yeah, I'm a smoothie girl now. So we're gonna go in here. I'm also gonna show you some deals that's going on. So of course the produce is here on sale. Okay, make sure you come in here and get your produce. The 2-for-1 for the avocados. They have some limes over here, 4 for $1. Cucumbers 49 cents. It's weekly special of 99 cents with the yellow onions. Make sure you get your produce, okay? Don't skip out on that. We got summer coming up and we need to be fit and healthy. But I wanted to stop and show you these here are so pretty. A blooming willow tin for $6.99. They have different colors. This is a multicolor one. That's so cute. But yeah, like Trader Joe's is not the only one out here, okay? You know, Smart and Final got you. These are beautiful. $12. Got some tulips for $7.99. Very beautiful. Here's a deal. The cereal is on sale for $3.09. The Apple Jacks. We also have for $3.49 some Cocoa Crisp and stuff. The name brand stuff. As you see, Kellogg's is on sale for $3.09. Big box, family size of Fruit Loops is $3.49. That's a really good deal. Ooh, I used to love getting these when I was a kid. I know, no, we did not have money like that, but we had some money sometimes, okay? What was it? Food for Less, that's where we used to get that. But the 3-pack, Fruit Loops, Cocoa Crisp, and the Apple Jacks, $10.99. That's what's up. Here's another good cereal deal. This one is $7.99 for the Lucky Charms, the Cookie Crisp, and the Tricks. This is actually, oh Lord, okay. We actually are also here to get together a little list of things we might want to get this coming month because, you know, it's towards the end of the month. And I literally just put together a whole grocery list. If you would like a copy of how I put together my grocery list, I'll go ahead and make like a printable or something like that, or a downloadable situation so that you guys can download that as well. But yeah, I'm trying to get real organized, okay? Real organized. So we're here in the fresh dairy area because, like we said, we came here to get stuff for smoothies. So I'm gonna come over here and look at this milk, alternative milk. Right now we have this. First of all, right now I'm using this Planet oat milk, and I got that from Smith's. But I want to also see if they have some soy milk. I have not been able to find soy milk, and I see it right here, but I don't see vanilla, which is really what I'm looking for. So let me see. What would you like? Right, a big old box of almond silk milk. How many is that? It's two. It looks like it's 264 ounces for $6.99. Would you like almond milk? Or this is almond and coconut, and that is $3.49. Silk almond and coconut. That's a good price. So we're gonna get this one, this vanilla almond milk. It's $2.99. This is the First Street brand, which is, thank you very much, King. This is the Smith's brand, not Smith's. This is the Smart and Final brand. So I'm over here not realizing they have a whole section for yogurt. Wow. That's soy sauce. And then these are jumbo pickles for $25. Jumbo pickles, 40 to 55 count. This is soy sauce, 5 gallon. Okay, they have all of the stuff on deck, but you know, basically, honestly, here we're gonna probably go with the First Street brand because it's the most affordable. That's what we do. But we're looking for these 32 ounces, these big ones at the top. I'm seeing the Chobani Mountain High. This is a big one, 64 ounces for $8.99. That might be a good deal. These ones are on sale. This Mountain High is on sale for $2. That's a good deal. I have some pudding and stuff down here, butter. So let's see what Dad wants. Dad, $2? That's a go. You already know. A deal is a deal, as a go is a deal, okay? 2 of those. This is just a plain one, which is fine. That's crazy. This is $2.09. This is $8.99, and it's the plain one. But all right, I'll take it. The bread selection is not that great. I'm really honestly looking for like a 2-pack of bread because like we have a big family and they really love bread. These kids love bread. Marshmallows $1.99, but we're gonna go ahead and get one of these breads. This is $1.99, the First Street. So my husband was surprised that they actually have their own brand of like toilet paper and stuff. I believe everybody does, so like let me know. I'm not sure if you saw the video. I'll go ahead and link it on this, the one where I did the toilet paper comparison. But hey, yo, look, hey, that's important to people, okay? It's important to me, look, all right? Okay, I shop how I shop, and I show what I know I want to see, okay? And I knew somebody would be curious, okay? So it's in high demand now, okay? Paper towel reviews. I got you. Okay, sorry. Anyway, here's some food, some meatises. They have this big old thing of tilapia for $15. I don't even know if that's a good deal. We've been through this before when it comes to like the seafoods and stuff. I'm not too sure, but over here They have $2.99 for the ground turkey. That's pretty good though. 10 patties for 10. Ground beef is on sale right here. That's a pound. No, 2 pounds for $6.49. We have some big old boneless beef eye of the ribs over here. Eye of the round. This is some good stuff for the coming season of, you know, what's it called? This is some great meat. Look at that. Now that is grill worthy. $41. That's great. Yeah. Look at this big old brisket. $85. That's a big ass brisket, bro. Big old beef tri-tip. $94. A boneless beef chuck for $130. This is 28 pounds. My goodness. It seems as though we found a right corner pocket hidden section of some deals. What is this? An uncurd smoked bratwurst. A quarter-pound sausages for $5.49. We have some shrimps here, cocktail shrimps. That looks like it's 1 pound for $5.91. Uncooked 1 pound for $5.19 right here. I'm obsessed with that. And they have some random Lunchables here for $1. Some fully cooked bacon for $4.98. That's not bad. That's pretty good. If you know anything about quality, wonderful ice cream, you see that? I don't know if you can see that. That first ingredient right there says cream. Because it's creamy. And mind you, this is not a voiceover. I'm in the store fangirling over this Thrifty's ice cream. It's only vanilla. But if they had black cherry, I'd be right there. And how much is it? $23? That's beautiful. That's ice cream, by the way. They got the big sweet baby back barbecue for $7.99. That's crazy. That thing is huge. It's 80 ounces. And I don't know if you're up on the grill mates. You need to be. But look at this thing. $9.99. This is one of the best ones. No, honestly, the Brazilian steakhouse is the best one. Garlic salt though, $9.99. That's great. And always keep this on deck. Always. Especially if you have children and toddlers. That's grill pack. That's the best pack. Also, we saw like a whole bunch of chicken over here. They have some really great chicken deals and big stuff too. So like thighs, chicken breasts, tender fritters. That's what I need to be getting. Big old chicken bag right here too. Cornish hens as well. I love a good Cornish hen. I have a 2-pack. And then these right here are pretty cool. I don't know if my husband saw this, but we saw this and we were like, ooh, so I had to show you guys as well. Orange chicken, just for reference, when we went to Winco, we did get a lot of Asian type of stuff, and their stuff is really good. But look at this, freshly deboned French chicken drumsticks. Like, they're literally lollipop chicken wings in a bag. That's crazy. For $10. That's so cool. See, wild caught Alaskan salmon burgers. That's cool. They have Alaskan salmon right here.
Whoa, $27.
And then I saw this hidden compartment right here. Sorry, that's my cart. Sorry. I saw this hidden compartment right here of breads. So that's kind of cool. Sourdough $1.99. Sourdough $1.99. Cheddar swirl rolls. Conchas $2.50. Pie. Cinnamon danishes. They have so many different stuff. Snap. I don't know. It's like a bread pastry type of thing. Oatmeal cranberry with walnuts. That sounds good. They have some cinnamon rolls for $3.99. This one looks good though. Some Hawaiian rolls for $2.99. Stop. Get that. Stop it. Please. Sourdough bundles for $1.74. Wow. A whole bunch of stuff down here. And some cheese bread, spicy breadsticks. That's pretty cool. Do you see? It's $5.79 for this big old Rowley's fries over here. These are bigger than the ones that you get at Walmart, like for sure. They have steak and shake fries. Steak and shake fries, Nathan's onion rings, Arby's curly fries, sweet potato fries from Rowley's, Sonic fries, Red Robin. That's so cool. Like, I didn't even know half of the stuff was here. Okay, a big old thing of onion rings as well. Sorry about that. And then also, there's this huge box of fries, okay? One for $7.49. Well, what? One inside of there. Okay. But yeah, if you want this big old box of 6 5-pound crinkle cut, straight cut fries, shoestring fries, it is $29.94. I know some of y'all out there got a deep freezer. Put us up on game with the deep freezers. These are $3.99, Mrs. Kane or McCain's. That's pretty good, little smileys. That's really cute though. You know the kids love their potatoes. Have you ever seen chicken and beef meatballs? That sounds fire. Which other one did you see? You said steak and Angus meatballs. Literally. See, Easter stuff is on sale here, like $3.50 for some candies and stuff. And they have these Easter baskets still. All these different types of candies and stuff on sale. Don't get us started on this section, okay? This whole section down here was like a gem when it came to smoothies, but we are not even on this type of time right now. We just came for a couple of things, not a lot, because the freezer is stocked, okay? But make sure you all come back again, because maybe next week we'll come back and we'll need some more things. So, we'll do a full grocery trip. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for practical shopping and product reviews and recommendations, all that type of stuff. Your girl got you. Love y'all. Be blessed.